Alright, this will be my first repair video. This is a Fender Princeton amplifier with a 10-inch speaker. From what I know, which is not a whole lot about the older Fenders, this looks to be like late 1960s maybe. But we're gonna take a look at the input jacks on it. They're a little noisy. And check the bias, make sure everything is good there, and get her back to the customer. Alright, I got this bad boy cracked open. Looks as if it's mostly original, which is nice. One thing I noticed that's not original is the power cable. Looks like they added a grounded power cord, which is good. Those white capacitors there, I'm not sure if those are original or not, but they seem to look alright. We'll probably test them to make sure that they're not leaky. Still has the original can capacitor there. We'll check it out too to make sure it's functioning properly. Okay, I got my bias probe connected underneath the chassis there. About to power up and see what our bias looks like. I checked the plate voltage. We have 393 volts on the plate of the two 6v6 GTs. So now we're going to power up and let it warm up and balance, and we'll see what it looks like. We should have about 25 milliamps of plate current at 393 volts. I'll let it warm up for a minute and see where it goes. Let's see if I can get that looking a little bit better. Alright, I think that'll be just fine. Good deal. Alright, here's a little demo of the Fender Princeton amp. I just finished doing a bias check on it and cleaning up the input jacks and verifying everything works right. So here we go. Sounds pretty good. That's at volume of 4. Turn it up a little. Let's check and see about our tremolo. Turn the intensity all the way up. Could be a little more in my opinion, but we'll probably leave it how it is.